Three stones with one bird. Three stones with one bird. Three stones with one bird. Hand over your pancreas. Three stones with one bird. Behave or get banned. Three stones with one bird. Hand over your pancreas. Behave or get banned. Three stones with one bird. Open sesame. Hand over your pancreas. Three stones with one bird. Behave or get banned. Hand over your pancreas. Three stones with one bird.
Okay, bird riding is a new one, I'll give you that. What drives you forward so vigorously? I refuse to accept that it's your protective parental instincts. Oh, I know. Someone has given you false hope, promised you what you want when all along they had one thing on their mind: pancreases. At first, I was confused by how everything was going perfectly in your favor, despite you never being here before. And then it hit me. Someone has to have been guiding you. And as with most things, I was right. You did have help. Your friend here has helped me tremendously. Thanks to him, I bore witness to very vital information. What information, you ask? Well, when my turn comes, I will simply prevent myself from turning into what he turned into.
You can run away, but The smell of your pancreas will always draw me to you.
Stop it, you two.